Yes, partners capital account. This is the second part of partners capital account. By balance BD means two balance BD and same amount is by balance BD. That is the by balance BD means capital of all the partner after all adjustment. By balance BD for X what is given 49,500 Y Z 1,05,750 and 1,35,750. What is given? Retiring partner to be paid in cash, full, पूरा amount pay करने. Then this is third capital addition. X, Y and Z 1,35,750, 49,500, 1,05,750. टू लैख 91,000 एक बार टोटल करके देखो वापस 2,91,000 total of all the partners capital after all adjustment सारे adjustment के बाद adjusted capital दे रखा then first point second what is new profit sharing ratio new ratio is given 2:3 third point total capital into new ratio 2:3 2/5 3/5 and it is capital of Y and Z. 5. One lakh 16,400. Two balance CD. 1,74,600. Retiring partner to be paid in full to bank 1,35,750. अब Y और Z का करना टू बैंक बाई बैंक देखो 1,16,400 and his capital 49,500 9 6 66,900 he has to bring by bank उसको भी लेकर आना 1,05,750 1,16,400 0 5 6 0 10,650 1,16 1,70 1,74,600 less 1,05,700 0 5 8 68,850 टोटल करके देखो ये आ रहा नहीं आ रहा 1,35,750 you have to check total cash brought in and paid by is equal or not. Same 1,35,700. Then your answer Y has to bring 66,900, Z has to bring 68,850. Have you completed? आवाज आ रही है? कंप्लीट हो गया क्या सबका क्वेश्चन? करें आगे? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 52, balance sheet of XYZ sharing profit 5:3:2. What we have? Workman compensation reserve 22,500. Y retires on April 1st, 2020. It was agreed that goodwill valued 1,12,500 and new profit sharing ratio 3:2. Fixed asset appreciated by 20%. Stock to be reduced to 75,000. Then Y be paid amount brought in by X and Z, so as to make their capital into profit sharing ratio. First, we have to calculate the revaluation profit loss. By fixed assets, that is appreciation in the fixed assets. Fixed assets appreciated by 20%. Fixed assets 1,87,500. 1,87,500 is 20%. 37,500. Next, stock reduced to 75. 7,500. Remaining is profit 30,000. Partners are XYZ 5:3:2. Partners capital account by balance PD 165. 1,65,000. 84,000. 66,000. Next, goodwill value 1,12,500. Returning partner is Y. Y share is 3/10. 33,750 to Y 33,750. New ratio given, old ratio given. Then what we have to calculate? Calculate the gaining ratio. New ratio we have 3:2. 3/5, 2/5, minus 5/10, minus 2/10. 10 LCM, 6 minus 5, 1/10. 10 LCM, 5, 6, 4, 2/10, 1:2. Gaining ratio 1:2. 33,750. X account debit, Z account debit in 1:2. 11,250 into 1 into 2. 11,250 and 22,500 debited to X and Z respectively. Next, X Z to Y dash 11,250, 22,500 by X by Z Next, revaluation profit loss. Profit 15,000, 9,000, 6,000. Next, accumulated profit loss. There is accumulated profit workman compensation reserve. By workman compensation reserve, 22,500 in which ratio? It is to be divided in which ratio? All ratio. 22,500 in 5 is to 3 is to 2. 11,250, 5 is to 3 is to 2. 22,2250 into 3, 6,750, 4,500. Any other adjustment? There is no other adjustment in this question for the partner's capital. Draw the balance sheet of all the partners, including retiring partner. Less 11,500, 1,80,000, 1,33,500, 76,500. This is 54,000. By balance PD, same amount, 1,80,000, 1,33,500, 54,000. You have to complete question up to this level. Have you completed revaluation account? Okay. Yes. Capital adjustment. First, total of all the partners X, Y, Z. 1,80,000, 1,33,500, 54,000. 3,67,500 new ratio 3 is to 2. Third point, 3,67,500 into new ratio 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 5. To balance CD 2,20,500 dash 1,47,000. Retiring partner to be paid in full to bank. Retiring partner Y. By bank, adjustment in cash 40,500. Access to bring Y 54,793,000. Total of 40,500 plus and 93,000 is equal to the retiring partner payment. Yes. Complete the question. कुछ पूछना है किसी को? क्लियर है सबका? नाउ बैंक अकाउंट, although there is no change in bank account because two bank and buy bank are same. Balance BD 15,000. बाई वाला टू में टू एक्स टू जेड 40,500 93,000 बाई 133,500 and same by balance CD 15,000. Have you completed bank account? Balance sheet. First is bank, same amount 15,000. Next, debtors, no change. Debtors, no change. 97,500. Stock, 75,000. Fixed assets, 1,87,500 प्लस कितना, प्लस कितना अप्रिशिएट किया था? 37,500 2,25,000 sundry creditors 39,750 EPF Employees Provident Fund no change 5250. There is no retiring partners loan. Then capital of X and Z 2,20,500 and 1,47,000. Make the total. Total करो इक्वल है 367 225 3 lakh 4 lakh 12,500.